to see. You're the honest I'll ever be. I'm so sorry I never stayed. Overreact and just walk away. Take me back to the place I know. I have the power to let things go. I'm so lost I can't see the shore. You know what that means, we've been here before.
I think that I'm going to hiding somewhere by a gated star. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me. I'm a renegade. I could be the one who saves you from this place. We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me.
So welcome to another day with Caroline.
Honey, you're really heavy.
I'm not heavy, honey.
You are.
Welcome to another day with Caroline. So we just came back from running, and I wanna ask her today. Where are you going, honey? Just come here, come on. I wanna ask her today. Why do you? Why do you travel?
I travel because he makes me travel.
No, that's not the question. So sorry, guys. Why do you travel, honey? Just why? Because of, like, it brings you freedom. It brings you freedom. It brings you like feeling alive, feeling in love. You escape with me again. No, honey, just explain.
No, I like to travel a lot because look, we have very sort of full-on lives here, and for me, it's the only time that I don't have like anyone calling my name or asking me questions or whatever, and so.
For us, it's amazing because we literally basically escape out of this reality, and we just go and we are ourselves again, just us again. And this is the phone. Oh,
Hi.
It's amazing. And we are back to just being us, like as we are, just 20 years old, escaping, and it's just amazing. That's why we travel and we love it. And we have a bucket list. Okay, I can actually talk now.
Anyway.
This is a left.
Okay, bye.
Steady up, honey.
I'm busy.
Okay,
some of us have busy lives.
No,
No, I've got a knife in my hand.
Yes.
I really don't want.
So I was explaining to them, honey, can you please keep going?
So yeah, it really sort of like just takes us away, where it's the only time that we sort of us without the kids, and it's part of my job anyway. I think I got the love of travel.
I think you want to say the love of my life, which is me.
That too.
Okay, amazing, thank you.
Do you really need me for this segment, Sergio? I think you have everything you want me to say.
Yeah. I have an eye behind.
Yeah. And we just,
we're back to be us.
And we really connect, and we love travel. And I really have a strong view that, like, if you don't do it now, when are we going to do it? It's like, okay, Sergio's a lot younger than me. He can probably do it quite a lot.
I will not do it, honey. I'm going to stay with you forever, and you know that.
Ay, por favor. So, we just really enjoy it. We just really, really enjoy travel. And we really connect when we travel.
Yeah.
And, Sergio and I, it's really weird anyway. We're the most connected people
in the planet.
on the planet.
Like really? No, honey, you cannot hold touch and then cut at the same time because that's the food I'm gonna eat. No, thank you.
What about if you get me my bag?
No. What bag?
The bag that he sits in, so then he just relax.
Just keep cooking, please. Okay. So we are really connected. Yes, that's really enough. We're really connected, and that's why we love traveling. And we have a thing that is we
finish each other's sentences.
Try to do bucket list.
We really enjoy being together, just alone. And it's funny because in my last marriage, I didn't really do that. and I really enjoy spending time with Sergio. Like the little things and the funny things for us. We love being together.
For example, yesterday we went to the hairdresser, and I was not expecting to do this, but a normal thing for us, it became the most amazing thing, you know. And that's when you really know that's the person, because we made the most out of every little situation, and we're really happy.
Yeah. And
what is next? What do you want to travel next? Just tell them.
okay, so the next thing we want to do together. So every year we decided, like, I mean, obviously there's the, you know, the
pandemic and all that.
No, I wouldn't say that. The place that everyone goes, you know, like Saint Tropez and all that rubbish. Oh, God,
Yeah. Oh my God.
Are you through? Yeah. Are you through? Great. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.
Okay. I got this one.
Yeah.
So.
So this year alone, so every year I want to discover somewhere new with him, which is, it's so exciting because, like, honestly, I used to use holidays to go and see my friends and, like, get away from
It's horrible to be honest.
And we use holidays to reconnect and just be him and I.
Yes.
So, like,
most of the people just go on holiday and they go to the typical places. They go, you know, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You know, and there's just nothing else to do. But we go to explore. You know, to travel, to
yeah, we
just
really enjoy it.
BS. So this year
we are going to. We've got a house in Mykonos, which is the normal place, which will be our party time.
Yes.
So that we can be crazy, young, wild things.
Uh-huh.
Then we're going on a boat
Oh my God, it's gonna be amazing.
to see the last ever pygmy tribe in Papua New Guinea. 10 days on a boat. And for those of you that don't know, they are the last cannibal tribe. And we're going with one of the world's greatest explorers, the guy that took us up the Himalayas, actually. So that's going to be amazing.
It's gonna be amazing. I'm so excited.
Yeah.
And then before we were trying to plan something to go to skiing in February. We don't know if it's gonna happen.
Look, imagine that face on the ski slopes. I can't wait to ski with
I
you.
can't wait to see you skiing, honey, with these little cute outfits like you need to pop out.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm not a very good skier, but
Oh,
I'll
God.
do my best.
don't wait, honey.
Honey.
And then after skiing, we're gonna try to go maybe to Maldives with the family, with the
Oh
kids.
yeah, take the kids, the Maldives.
To Maldives, and then
For half term.
maybe for half term when they have the break in the school, and then maybe something else, you know, maybe Marbella in the summertime, you know, and then you know it will come up like, oh, we have another boat as well with Christian birthday to Barbados.
No,
Some bars. So planning as well some bars. That's basically our travel schedule for this year. So I have a question for you, honey.
You do?
Yes. Have you always been a traveler, or you know, do you always like just to stay stable in one place?
No, I'm a stable person. I need routine. And
But once in a while you like to travel, right?
yeah, so I needed routine. I love my home. I need to feel happy in my home. But you changed a lot in me because you need this for like us. Because you know, like it's hard when you come into a life that's
The
already
problem is, you know,
built.
that you come into a life which is already built, as you said, and then all of a sudden you are one more, and you have to deal with, you know, a lot of responsibilities, and it distracts you to be yourself with the person that you love. That's why traveling is amazing for us, because it brings us back to who we are and how we were when we met in the beginning. That's why it's amazing. And as I said to you, it looks like we are like on our 20s and then just escaping from life and then just traveling. It's amazing. I love it.
You know, it's great because it gives us both parts of our world, which is family life, and then the life that we have, which is just him and me. Which is what most people forget, by the way. It's really, really hard. I mean,
It's really important to have that part.
it's what I lost, and if I think back, I allowed that part to sort of fizzle off because he was working and I was working, and we just were so busy building everything that we just allowed us to be, you know, about the kids.
Yeah.
And I don't want that to happen again.
So we'll keep you posted on the trips. We will still, you know,
Well, we're gonna video them all.
and stuff. Yeah. So I hope you guys subscribe and keep following
Subscribe, darling. You can't see
us. Subscribe.
it. Subscribe.
Just click down here and then subscribes.